Okay guys, it's Debbie back with Driftwood and Shine. We've got our pineapple cake. I'm going to show you what we do, what I'm doing. I'll turn you over here. Okay, I've got a half a stick of melted butter. And we've got a spoon, and we're making holes, poke cake. Just all random in there. No rhyme or reason. And I've just left it in the pan. I cooked it in, guys. You don't have to. You can take it up. But I figured since it's going to make kind of a mess, it'd be good to just make a mess where it was at. Okay? Now look, this half cup of butter you can put in your cake mix when you're mixing it up. I'm just going to pour, and that's why I've got it in a measuring cup so that you can just pour it, drizzle all over this cake. And this is real butter, not margarine. And you just pour it over it. And I may not even use the whole half the stick. We'll just see. I'm getting it on here. If you do put it in your cake, though, do a half a stick. I didn't use quite all of it. See, isn't that beautiful? Okay, now what we're going to do, I've got a half a cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of our crushed pineapple. Kind of it doesn't have to be exact tablespoon, just, tablespoon of our crushed pineapple. And then I'm going to start out with 3 tablespoons of milk. Then we'll just see if we need to add any more to it. We're just wanting to form us a glaze. That's all we're doing. To go right over our pineapple cake with the pecans inside and with the butter on the outside. And this is going to be plenty, I think. We could get a little bit more. Let's put just about a half a tablespoon more. Whoops. About a half a tablespoon more of milk. And that we use whole milk. You can use, half and half, whatever you want. Now there's our glaze. And all we're going to do with our glaze is pour it right over where we just poured our butter. But I'm going to make sure that I go over where I have all my poked holes. Because I want those poked holes to get full of this goodness. We might even have to mix this up a little bit more, but I think this will be plenty. Okay, got all that. Now all you do then is just take your spoon and you just rub it over there. And this cake's already cool, so it's ready to eat now. I mean, you can go ahead and eat it. That butter just adds a good butter flavor to your already rich cake. And you can take some of those pineapple chunks and just fill your poked holes. But it's okay with me, the whole show, because that's the whole point of it. But there you go. There's our pineapple cake. Okay, as soon as our pecan bark cools, we're going to come back and we'll show y'all then everything. Well, no, because Sunny hadn't made her sausage balls yet. We may wait until she gets those made. All right? But anyhow, I love you, and that's it for right now. We'll see you in a little bit. Miss Jackie, no, we come to have Friendsgiving with some of our friends down here in Port St. Joe. They should be here sometime later. But we've already had Thanksgiving meal because I cooked it at home week before last, actually. And so we're having grilled hamburgers and real homemade French fries tonight. That's going to be our Thanksgiving. And today we've had mashed potatoes and beef tips. And I had chicken pot pie, just Miss Morton's frozen one, but it was good. But we're just making all kind of desserts and snack stuff that we can snack on while we play cards or, you know, whatever. We played a card game called Phase 10 last night. I've never played that, but that was so much fun. It was really fun. So anyhow, we'll see y'all, okay? Y'all share all this out so that other people can see it. And we appreciate you, and we hope you're having a good Thanksgiving. All right, bye, guys.